This is Berat, known as the City of a Thousand Windows, located in the heart of Albania. These white Ottoman houses cascading down the hillside reflects a rich history that spans over 2,400 years. Today, we embark on a journey to explore Berat with our dear friend Ella. We spend the night in a hotel that looks straight out of the Middle Earth, within the walls of a castle that dates back into the 4th century BC. But before that, we will explore the city and show Ella how delicious Albanian food is. Hi guys, I'm Luis.
I'm Monika.
And I'm Ella.
Welcome to
Berat!
This is the beautiful city of Berat, known as the city of the 1,000 windows, with the amazing decoration and structure from the Ottoman Empire. Something that mesmerizes me here in Berat is the fact that you have one mosque right in front of the Christian Orthodox Church, guys. Love it.
So we're just walking on our way to hotel, and Luis saw very interesting games, and now he's being a little bit competitive.
Oh,
And guess who has some points? So 271, that's what the previous player had. There you go. Show him who's the daddy.
I want to call them back. Listen, come back. I want to show you who's stronger.
Do it, do
How
it.
much was the...
271. I think you broke the machine. Do one more, because you have one. And the winner is Luis.
Hey, come back.
Let me show you what the game looks like and who is playing the game.
So this is our restaurant called Shindet, and they have traditional food and seafood restaurant. You can see the menu right here. Let's go and try it.
Oh, it smells so good already.
Palimderit.
Ooh.
The proper way how to taste some wine.
You can smell some peach. And also you can smell some apple.
Wine, I smell wine.
I smell wine here. Like apple cider vinegar.
stir
No, I'm
it.
joking. I'm joking. It's really good.
But it's actually very good.
It's a rosé wine.
It's a rosé wine. It's made with very exclusive grapes, by the way, here in Berat. So, yum yum yum.
Cheers.
Rafaella is getting the special treatment today.
So this is our starters to share. Monika
This
can
is-
explain what it is.
Well, these are Albanian traditional food. We have like 7 things to try. I can say the name of them like in Albanian. I cannot really translate them in English because there are no words in English.
Yeah, for that one is eggplant.
Okay, Rex. That's eggplant. This is what we call burek. It's basically like a pie with cheese. This is made out of corn flours and spinach and a lot of other green meat. This one we call it yaprak. Is basically
Sarmale. Sarmale.
a grape leaf with rice inside, the yogurt, and pepper filled with rice inside. Yum yum.
Apologies for my manners. We didn't let you know how the food is. The food is amazing.
An egg. They make it like a stock,
Yeah, but with bread it's really good, and the salad is amazing. And then Monica didn't show you the cheese. Yeah, that one. So by far is amazing. Do you like the food? Evan? Good. So we got more food coming in. It was included in this order. We got more cheese. Besides that cheese, and we got this beef
Cheese
stew.
is always a good idea.
It's a veal stew with what's it?
Ricotta cheese,
Ricotta cheese,
red peppers, and the veal, and obviously with the juice that you have from the veal, you just
Nice.
mix it all together. It's actually very traditional in Tirana, but everywhere in Albania we eat it.
Nice. Food was amazing. We just finished lunch. We had this beautiful view of Berat, and also look at this. We had these amazing fruits, fresh fruits from the city. And obviously, Monica and Rafaella, they're not satisfied after we ate the feast. They want to have more fruits. We are in the middle of the bridge in Berat. Now, for those of you that don't know, Berat is considered one of the UNESCO Heritage Cities around the world.
Yes, and that's because it's a very old and ancient city. So you can see all these houses, they date back to the Ottoman Empire, so it's a very, very long time ago. And the style, the structures, yeah, it's Ottoman Empire architecture.
There is a church right here, a chapel. There is a wall, and then the castle is on top, which we're going soon there because we want to see the sunset from the castle. We were so excited driving through the narrow streets to the castle, seeing all the white Ottoman houses full of stories. We wondered what it was like to live in those days. The journey felt like a step back in time as we were entering in a fantasy world. Finally, we could see the castle's entrance, with the sunset casting a golden glow on its walls. We went through the gate and finally made it inside. The sense of history was overwhelming, and we couldn't wait to explore every corner of this magical place. Our adventure in Berat had truly begun. So we made it to our hotel. We just arrived, guys. When we say we want to stay inside of a castle, this is what we meant. So Hotel Kalaja is located inside Berat Castle. We're gonna give you a small room tour.
Come with me, because this is such a typical Albanian home. Private corridor with a traditional rug.
Yeah.
I don't know any Albanian house which doesn't have this. If they don't use it, they probably have it somewhere stored. But pictures of the old town of Berat.
This is our room.
Then this is our room. So after the corridor, this is our room. We have a 4 people's bedroom, a double bed and 2 singles. Because we're with our friend Rafaella.
Rafaella is gonna join us tonight in a castle night here in Berat.
So this is gonna be my bed.
Yeah.
And Luis and Monica.
Yes, it's settled.
No, you know that's not gonna happen. Yeah, let me show you the view that we have from our window. Check this out, guys. Yeah, inside the castle. Look at this. So guys, coming out from our room, this is the view. We're gonna take you around the castle a little bit. So here's a fun fact. Berat Castle is one of the few castles in the world that have people living inside. Look at the houses, guys. It reminds me of Gjirokastër, you know, it has this Ottoman view. Look at this. And yes, I do feel like back in Lord of the Rings, in the Middle Earth atmosphere. Look at the view right there, and then right here. And this is a traditional restaurant where we're gonna be eating tonight here. Po. And then they have souvenir here, market souvenir. Look at this. The castle of Berat, known as Kalaja, has stood in this strategic location for over 24 centuries. Initially built by the Illyrians in the 4th century BC, the Byzantines later expanded it. The castles made it a vital stronghold protecting the city from invaders over the centuries. Walking through these ancient walls, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The Ottomans left their mark here too, contributing to the unique blend of architectural styles that make Berat a fascinating place to explore.
I've been in the Berat Castle before, but I've never walked through the wall, and it feels very, very nice. The sunset is just perfect. I love some golden hours. I came on this side to vlog because Luis is on the other side trying to fly the drone. So as you all know, tonight for the very first time we are sleeping inside a castle.
So right now we're walking at the walls of the castle. The weather is amazing and we're just on time for the sunset. We just flew our drone, guys, and the view is unbelievable. In fact, there is another guy flying another drone right there at the moment.
Luis's competition.
No, it's okay. It's a competition. I would have beat him. Oh. So guys, this is the inside the castle of Berat at night time. A lot of people they come here at night because they have some restaurants and some bars. So apparently people from the city they come here either to have a beer, have a drink, or to have something to eat at night time. That's the reason why people are coming here from downstairs. I wonder how is the life just living here. Having a normal life inside of a castle must be awesome. The views during the morning, all the sunsets must be great. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed Berat as much as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is it for today, and ciao for now.